Hello everyone, welcome to English Finishing School, and today in this video we are going to discuss a new cue card in the latest series of cue cards, that is describe an art exhibition that you visited. So let us look at the cues. Describe an art exhibition that you visited. Where did you see this exhibition? आपने वो एग्जीबिशन कब देखी? Where the exhibition was held? और वो कहाँ पे ऑर्गेनाइज की गई? What was on display? Display में क्या कुछ था? And explain your impression of the exhibition. Like why did you like? आपको वो exhibition क्यों पसंद आई? And आपका overall impression उसके बारे में क्या था? So let us discuss without wasting any time. First, we'll discuss about the general idea, which we'll have to develop in that 1 minute which the examiner gives us. हम कुछ बेसिक आइडियाज से, कुछ बेसिक स्टेटमेंट से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. लाइक इसमें आर्ट वर्ड है जो बहुत प्रोमिनेंट है, तो वी कैन यूज सम जर्नल लाइन्स रिलेटेड टू आर्ट. लाइक आर्ट इन एनी फॉर्म, मे इट बी म्यूजिक, पेंटिंग और स्कल्पचर, becomes highly appreciable for anyone who experiences its pleasure. तो जो आर्ट का सही तरीके से आनंद लेता है, ऑब्वियसली वो उसको अप्रिशिएट करता है, चाहे वो कोई भी फॉर्म में हो, म्यूजिक की फॉर्म में, पेंटिंग की फॉर्म में या मूर्ति कला की फॉर्म में. Art exhibitions are often organized with the purpose to keep the art lovers and people engaged and clung to its unique display. अब आर्ट एग्जीबिशंस ऑर्गेनाइज करने का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होता है? ताकि जो आर्ट को अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, जो आर्ट के लवर्स हैं, वो लोग इसमें इन्वॉल्व हों और उनके डिस्प्ले की तरफ उनकी जो अट्रैक्शन बनी रहे. वी कैन ऑल्सो से लाइक योर पर्सनल ओपिनियन अबाउट आर्ट. लाइक यू कैन से आई एम ऑल्सो अ ग्रेट आर्ट लवर and always admired the beauty of art exhibits. I have visited numerous exhibitions at various places. हो सकता है आप आर्ट को इतना अप्रिशिएट नहीं करते. You can say I'm not much into art, but yes, one day one of my friends who is a great art lover and always admires the beauty of art exhibits took me to an art exhibition. So probably that generated your interests. Now we will discuss some vocabulary words which you can use to develop this cue card. सबसे पहले लाइक जब आप वहाँ पे गए, यू कैन यूज कर काइंड ऑफ फ्रेजेस. गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू विजिट और एक्सपीरियंस और विटनेस सम काइंड ऑफ आर्ट एग्जिबिट्स. एग्जिबिट्स वहाँ पे होंगे. न्यूमरस आर्टिस्टिक पीसेस ऑन पब्लिक डिस्प्ले. दे कैन बी हैंडीक्राफ्ट्स इन आर्ट एग्जिबिशन. दे कैन बी यूनिक आर्ट डिजाइंस एंड पेंटिंग्स एज वेल. These are the things which you can generally find in art exhibition. Then you can also talk about there was a unique collection of rare antiques. Antiques are basically the old traditional pieces of beautiful art. May it be painting, may it be handicraft, may it be like anything made up of clay. A museum, आप कहाँ पे वो चीज़ ऑर्गेनाइज करी हुई थी और आप कहाँ पे आपने विजिट किया? लाइक अ म्यूजियम, इट कुड हैव बीन अ स्कूल ऑल्सो, और या किसी हेरिटेज साइट लाइक ताजमहल या रेड फोर्ट जैसी किसी हेरिटेज साइट में वो एग्जीबिशन लगी थी. It can be even in a temple, a club. So you need to talk about that place where the exhibition was organized. After that, there are certain words which you can use particularly related to an art exhibition. First of all, the word is memorabilia. Memorabilia is a collection of good memorable things wherein you have colorfully decorated stalls there were, and the central attraction कोई ऐसी चीज़ थी वहाँ पे जो उस पर्टिकुलर एग्जीबिशन की सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन थी. यू कैन ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट दैट. और कितनी ड्यूरेशन की थी? यू कैन ऑल्सो ऐड टू इट की कंटिन्यूड फॉर अ वीक, फॉर अ मंथ, फॉर अ फोर्टनाइट. फोर्टनाइट मीन्स पीरियड ऑफ 15 days. And then of course it was of a national scale exhibition, a state level exhibition or an international scale exhibition. तो अगर इंटरनेशनल स्केल की एग्जीबिशन थी तो अलग अलग कंट्रीज की आर्ट को पोर्ट्रे किया गया था. Then it left an indelible impression on your mind. Indelible impression means long lasting impression, जो काफ़ी टाइम तक आपके दिमाग पे एक छाप छोड़ता है. So like this is an idiom you can use while talking about your impression about the exhibition. A great commercial and educative value for you. Of course, commercially तो वो important थी, but education के point of view से, because you know about different cultures and their art forms is also one time, you can say, gain of knowledge. So that was there in that exhibition. The concepts were well highlighted. तो बहुत बहुत ट्रेडिशनल कल्चर्स के कॉन्सेप्ट्स को वहाँ पे हाईलाइट किया गया था बहुत अच्छे तरीके से. इट वॉज अ टेस्टिमनी. टेस्टिमनी होता है किसी चीज़ का प्रूफ. इट वॉज अ टेस्टिमनी ऑफ रियल आर्टिस्टिक टैलेंट ऑफ वेरियस रीजन्स. लाइक अगर आप नेशनल लेवल की एग्जीबिशन की बात कर रहे हैं तो अलग अलग क्विजीन्स को हाईलाइट किया जा सकता है, अलग अलग स्टेट्स की कल्चर को हाईलाइट किया जा सकता है. Again, in international level, it can be traditions and clothing and cuisines of various countries. So that's all about the vocabulary words which particularly relate to this particular topic, that is a art exhibition. Now, without wasting any time, do not miss to watch the model answer for this cue card, which would help you to structure your beautiful cue cards in your style. So let's go. Art in any form, may it be music, painting, or sculpture, becomes highly appreciable for anyone who experiences its pleasure. Art exhibitions are often organized with the purpose to keep the art lovers and people engaged and clung to its unique display. I am also a great art lover and always admire the beauty of art exhibits. I have visited numerous exhibitions at various places. 3 years ago, while being on a school trip to International Trade Fair at New Delhi, I had an opportunity to visit a unique art exhibition in one of the complexes at Pragati Maidan. We bought the entry ticket, which was 250, and got inside to enjoy the mesmerizing beauty of the whole thing. As we entered into the complex where the exhibition was held, we were offered a free coconut water in wooden glasses sponsored by a food and beverage company. This art exhibition had a collection of various items like art memorabilia, handicrafts of different regions, cultural antique pieces, colorfully decorated stalls, adorned. Adorned is a word, means beautified and decorated. The beauty of the whole concept. I bought 2 oil paintings of Buddha at quite an economical price. This exhibition was of international scale where art forms of Germany, USA, UK, China, and many other countries were displayed. The exhibition had an educative as well as commercial value for both the vendors and visitors. The exhibition was laid out in a perfect coordination in sync with a variety of cultural themes like cuisines, junction, paintings, vista, handloom village, and many more. It indeed left an indelible, that is, long lasting impression on my mind, and I still cherish the visual memories of those artistic pieces which I witnessed. So, here comes the end of this cue card, and of course, the end of this video. But before we sign out and say you bye, do not forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get more videos to watch related to your preparation of IELTS exam.